Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to sample and review something we saw at Trader Joe's. It's called sparkling watermelon juice. All right. Before we get started, if you could give us a thumbs up. We do a lot of videos like this, and there's a lot of do-it-yourself videos on here. And also we have, hit that subscribe button and you could get more of this content sent directly to you. Hit that bell, and as soon as we are live, you could come in. All right, got anything to say, Tank, before we get started?
No.
Okay. You're not going to talk about this bug right
here?
here?
I forgot about that, yeah. This bug right here, you'll turn into this bug right here if you don't like this video.
I really hope that there is a picture and he's not pointing at his mother. Mama boy.
There's a picture right here. It's Keita Rocker.
Whoever the heck that is. All right, we're going to try this. It's 60 calories. Hey, interesting. No sodium. A lot of sodas have a lot of sodium in it.
It's in the name. Sodium is.
Right.
It's short.
But, I'm sorry. For my critic out there, I will put my glasses on so I can read this. Yes. It says here that it's watermelon juice and carbon dioxide, citric acid. So it's pretty clean. And it's a product of Vietnam. All right. You ready to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we have here. Right. Anyway. Let's give this a try. Hold it up so they can see what it looks like. There we go. That's a sample size. See that? Look at that. Okay. All right, wait. Oh. Cheers. And for our German fans, we should, what do they say? So sorry. We'll have to rehearse this. Let's try it. We will get it right. For our German friends, we will get this right. Okay, here we go. For our German friends and family. Whoa, you sucked that up real quick.
Also, that wasn't that much.
All right, Tank. I'm going to let you start off this time.
All right.
What do you think?
I get some more.
Oh, I guess that's it. Could you tell the people what you thought?
Yeah.
Good
Give me a
Lord.
second. I need extra taste.
Oh, man. Okay, well. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
This tastes really good. It tastes like it has a lot of sugar in it, which makes it even better. It's really sweet.
What?
It's really sweet. It tastes like watermelon Kool-Aid.
Watermelon Kool-Aid. Okay. All right.
With spark.
So what do you give it on a scale of 1 to 4? What do you give this drink?
I give this a 4.
A 4. Okay.
I would give it.
Why? Because it's sweet, and what else?
Yeah, it has a sparkling flavor and it's sweet, which is really good. And it has a bit of a watermelon flavor in it.
Okay.
The aftertaste, it tastes more like watermelon than the drink itself.
Wow, look at that. It looks like a craft beer. Of course, you don't know nothing about that. You know, the kind of amber look. Anyway.
Do you craft it in Minecraft?
No, Minecraft. Oh, my. Okay, I'm going to be honest. First of all, full disclosure, when it comes to soda, I am not a soda drinker. Not really. I'll get a time or two where I might feel like, oh, I would like to get a soda here. But my favorite drink is
soda without.
Yeah, it's soda water. Just basically carbonated water.
Carbonated water. Exactly like this.
But that has the juice in it and the watermelon juice. I am glad that the watermelon taste is not overwhelming, and the sweetness, that is what bumps me. Will I run out and get this again? I will give this a 2. That's me personally, because I'm not chasing soda. high fructose, all that. I'll buy it if I have a taste for it, but you know, just part of my regular shopping, no, I wouldn't do it. I mean, I'll get it for you, but for myself, my personal consumption, remember, we're talking about for my personal consumption, I will give this a 2. It's not bad.
It's amazing.
You see, he says it's amazing. I say, see this tiny little, it's a little over 8 ounces, 60 calories for that. You know, and if you're a person who's looking to minimize your caloric intake, it's just, you know, 60 calories for basically a good swallow. Nah, not worth it, sorry. So anyway, so that's it. I give it a 2 and you give it a what?
4.
A 4? All right, so that is it. Anyway, like always, hope you're doing well. Stay safe out there, and until next time.